Welcome to today's video. If you're looking for an easy and clear guide on how to log into your Indigo credit card account, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through each step of the process, ensuring you can access your account quickly and securely. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser. First, make sure you have access to a device with an internet connection. Open your preferred web browser, whether it's Google Chrome, Safari, or Firefox, on your computer, tablet, or mobile phone. Step 2. Go to the Indigo credit card login page. In the address bar, type in the official website URL for Indigo credit cards, https www.indigocard.com. Once you've entered the URL, press Enter or tap Go on your mobile device. This will take you directly to the homepage. Step 3. Locate the Sign In button. On the homepage of the Indigo credit card website, look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter your username. A new login page will appear. On this page, you will be prompted to enter your username. This is the username you created when you first opened your account. Type it in carefully and make sure there are no typos. Step 5. Enter your password. Next, you will be asked for your password. Make sure you enter it correctly, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters, as passwords are case sensitive. If you can't remember your password, there is a Forgot Password link you can click to reset it. Step 6. Click Sign In. Once you've entered both your username and password, click on the Sign In button to access your account. If everything is correct, you will be taken to your Indigo credit card account dashboard. Step 7. Account Dashboard. Congratulations! You are now logged into your Indigo credit card account. From here, you can check your balance, view recent transactions, make payments, and much more. Troubleshooting. Forgot username or password. If you forget your login details, simply click on the Forgot Username or Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to recover your account. Still having trouble? Make sure you're on the correct website, https www.indigocard.com, and try clearing your browser's cache or using a different browser. Conclusion. That's it. You've successfully logged into your Indigo credit card account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.